Hello everybody, welcome back to SEBA Math Lab, and today we're going to do another video about the surface area of a cylinder. And it's another video, another day, so I would appreciate a like and subscribe, because today we're going to learn about how to do surface area, what is a cylinder, what is surface area, and an example, some question, and a summary, okay? And a day-to-day life example, alright guys? So, what is a cylinder? A cylinder is a 3D shape that has two parallel flat circles with a tube body. It's just what the circle is, alright guys? As you guys see, one flat circle and two flat circles. Alright? What is surface area? Surface area is the total space occupied by outer layers or faces of a three-dimensional object. What that means in simpler terms is the area of every face. So if every face is a 2D object, you do the area of all those, then you add it all together. Okay, guys? Well then, how do we do the surface area of a cylinder? So let me just draw a cylinder real quick. Two flat circles and a tube-like body. So, doing the surface area of a cylinder is easy, actually. You just need to follow these steps to learn. To do this, first you have to do the surface area of the two circles, okay, guys? Then you do the area of the flat surface. Then you add them both up to get the surface area. So, this is the formula, okay? This one is for the two circles, and this one is for the tube-like body. Okay, guys? Well, now that I've showed you guys how to do surface area, let me do an example with you guys. So, here's an example. Let's say the radius is 2 and the height is 8. So, what did I say about doing it? We first need to calculate the two flat circles. Okay, guys? So, the radius is 2. So, as I said, it's supposed to be radius squared. So, radius times 2 times 2 equals to 4. And then we do 4 times pi, because remember in the last video I showed you guys how to do how to do pi, how to do the area of a circle. So 4 times pi equals to 12.56. Then 12.56 times 2 equals to 25.12. All right, guys? Then 25.12 is the first answer, because that is the area for both of these. Then 8 times, then now we do the area for this. Okay, guys? So now 8 times 2 equals 16. Then we do 16 times 3.14 as part of the formula, which equals to 50.6. Then we do 50.6 times 2 as in, which equals to 100.2. All right, guys? Then we do 100.2 plus 25.12, which equals to 125.32. And then that's our final answer, okay, guys? Now, example of a surface area in a day-to-day life. One real life example is painting or wrapping soda cans, like adding designs or something to the soda cans. All right, guys? Question time. Answer this question inside the comments, and then I'll put the answer in the comments to say if you're right or wrong. But make sure you answer first. Summary. Today we learned about the surface area of a cylinder. We also learned about some examples. What is surface area? A cylinder. And as I said at the start. So, like and subscribe if you want more math mysteries from us, SEBA Math Lab. And as always, SEBA Math Lab, and we out.